Hello everyone, my name is Martin and in this video I will show you how to configure Yuma armors. So first we will start from the Unity editor, and by default Atavism doesn't have Yuma integrated. In order to do this we have to follow our wiki documentation, where we have short information on how to configure and how to integrate Yuma into Atavism. So there are just a few steps, I won't cover them, but it's basically like importing Yuma from the Unity Asset Store, importing integration package from the panel, which you can download from the download section, and then assign new race, class and gender model in the player templates. In this video I will use our armor packages, and it will be Yuma human plate pack. You can use any Yuma armor of your choice. It's important to note that armors that you will be using should match the actual character model. I basically imported this package into Unity editor, so I have Dragon Sun Studios directory here, Yuma, plate, and I have 5 armor sets here in the directory, and we will be using just one piece of this element. Second element that we will be using is equipment display for Yuma, and after you will import Atavism Yuma integration package, you will have additional elements that you can use as references. So these references, these files are in the resources, content, equipment display, and here we have Yuma directory. So let's open it, and we have some directories inside. So we can use one of these references. In this case, I will use chest piece of the armor. So I will grab this from the warrior directory. I will grab this Yuma warrior upper element, and here we are defining basically one element. It will be one model, and this model is basically another prefab. If we'll click it, it is selecting the the target prefab, and in this prefab we will have to define receipt names. So let's just duplicate one of this prefab and one of these character clothing as well. So we have to duplicate or create 2 prefabs from scratch, and on one of these prefabs we will have to add equipment display with equip display type attached object, and model. As a model we will basically select reference, but in this case not the second one but the third one, so this one. On the target prefab we have receipts, we have character clothing component, and there we have Yuma receipts. So we have receipt for male and receipt for female. So here is race name. In Atavism we are usually using race name as race, gender, and DCS, as this is old naming convention used in previous Yuma versions. So we kept it like that. And here we have to define receipt name, and now I will show you from where we should get this name. So after you will import any Yuma package with armors, races or whatever, you will have to rebuild Yuma global library. And to do this you have to click Yuma, global library, and I'm usually rebuilding the whole library, so I'm selecting file, then rebuild from project, include text assets. And this is rebuilding and checking all elements that you have within your project and that are related to Yuma. After that, we have to open element that we will want to use as our armor. So let's open, for example, armor 1. We will need both male and female in this case, because we have two fields here. And in our packages, receipts are in slots and in slot name. So we have here our receipt. So let's click on it, select the name, copy the name of the file of this receipt. We can see that, let me drag it a bit, that here in the right side we have information that this is wardrobe receipt. And we have to copy name of this wardrobe receipt. On the wardrobe receipt we have slots and textures assigned, and textures are assigned in Yuma using overlays, but this is not really part of this video to explain everything like that. So the most important thing is that we need to copy our male, in this case male armor for our character, and let's get back to our warrior, our model, and I will paste it here. And the same for female. I know that our naming convention is the same, so I will just change the prefix of this name to female, so F in the beginning, and that's pretty much it in the editor. Now we have to switch into Atavism standalone editor, and here we will configure our item. So we have to open items, item, and we have this tab, and we have to create new item. So I will use armor, let's call it maybe Yuma tutorial armor piece 01. Let's select some icon, it will be chest piece, so maybe, I don't know, maybe this one. I can click save, so I could see what elements I need to fill in the form. So I need to fill the socket. It will be plate. We can add new ones if you want. It will be chest piece. Item quality, let's say it will be legendary, without binding. And currency, let's say silver for 10 silver. And important element is our equipment display that we configured. So it was in Yuma, warrior, and here at the bottom we had this upper Yuma equipment display, and this is our cloth. So we need to select equipment display prefab. So this is Yuma warrior 02 upper 3. Let's give it a tooltip. We can add some stats. Let's give it health max, for example 10,000. Let's click save. So we have our armor here. Let's restart the server and let's go back into the Unity editor. So we used the shorter name, as you could see in the Atavism standalone editor, which was Yuma warrior 02 upper, and this is our equipment display. This is important to not assign prefab with character clothing, because Atavism has to use equipment display first. And now let's enter the runtime. Let's make a full screen. Let's log in. Let's use our Yuma character. Let's enter the world. Let's change the lighting a bit. Maybe like this. And let's give ourselves this new item. It was Yuma, this one. So I got this item here. Let me open our character. And now let's equip it. As you can see, our armor is here, and our statistic that we assigned to our armor is also altered. And the same way you can configure other armor pieces, like pants, boots, helmet, and other elements. So it's not so complicated, and it's pretty quick to configure. So that's all for this part. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video and it will be helpful for you. Bye bye.
Don't forget to subscribe to the Atavism YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be alerted when new videos on Atavism are released. Have a great day and happy developing.